We are pleased to show you the 2018 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, stability control, heated seats, trip odometer, trip computer, auxiliary audio input, tachometer, rear view camera, push button start. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.